unknowns, y of 0.1 and y of 0.2. So here direct differentiation only, we are going to start differentiation from second derivative. So which is the dependent variable? Dependent variable is x. Independent variable. Still after this there is so many classes also confusion. Which one will be dependent variable? Which one is going to be differentiated, that is called as the dependent. Using which variable you are going to differentiate, that is called as the independent. இதில எந்த வேரியபிளை differentiate பண்ண போற? y ஆ x ஆ? y ஆ differentiate பண்றோம்னா y will be the dependent. y எதால differentiate பண்ண போற? x. So that will be as the independent. Okay. And the identification எதுக்குனா because we should know how to do the differentiation. Okay. So differentiate. What is differentiation of y double dash? Y double dash equal to, when you see this one, this is a product of two terms. So make use of a product. So keeping x as it is, what is differential of y dash square? First to differentiate power. What is differential of x square? 2x. Instead of x you are having y dash. So first for that one 2y dash. First you are differentiating the power. Next you have to differentiate here y dash. What is differential of y dash? Y double dash. Minus, same procedure here. What is differential of y square? 2y. Again differential of y will give you y dash. You understand? If it is x plus, you will not be doing like this because x is an independent variable. Okay. Go for next derivative. What is differential of y double dash? Y 4. So now here we are having product of three terms. Make use of the same product rule. Keep 2 as your constant and differentiate the other one. Okay. So we are keeping 2x y dash as it is. What is differential of y double dash? Y double dash. Plus now keeping 2x y double dash as it is. What is the differential of y dash? Y double dash. So I will take this to be y double dash double this one. Okay, already what y double dash will be there. This will give you what y double dash. Plus now keeping 2y dash y double dash as it is. Okay. What is differential of x? 1. So this will be a fourth derivative. First one. Similar to the second one, minus. Again 2 terms product rule. Minus 2y as a constant. What is differential of y dash? Y double dash. Minus. Keeping 2y dash as it is. What is differential of y? Y dash. So it will to be y dash. Can you understand now? So this is enough. Okay. In 1 minute. Can you understand now? Yes. So what we have next to color? We have to find all these derivatives at the point x0, y0 and y0 dash. So in this equation you are going to replace all x and y to be x0 and y0. Okay, no? Replace it. y0 double dash is equal to x0 y0 dash square minus y0 square. Okay. What is x0 for the problem? 0. So if you substitute 0 means first to maintain it becomes 0. What is y0? 1. So you get this answer to be minus 1. In between there is one negative sign. What my out? x0 is 0, so first term fully vanishes, y0 is 1. Now substituting a second derivative, so third derivative, y0 double dash is equal to 2x0 y0 dash y0 double dash minus 2y0 y0 dash. Okay, substitute that value. Again, what is x0 value? 0. So first term entire becomes 0. Minus 2 into y0. y0 value is 1 and y0 dash value is 0. So both is going to become 0. 0. So find my fourth derivative. So all x, y and y dash should be replaced. plus h by 1 factorial into y naught dash plus h square by 2 factorial into y naught double dash plus h cube by 3 factorial into y naught double dash plus h power 4 by 4 factorial into y naught 4 plus etc. Substitute the values. What is the h value for our problem? What is the h value? 0.1. So you are going to solve y1 with h is equal to 0.1. So substitute the values. Y naught value is 1 plus y naught dash value is 0 plus y naught double dash is existing, so 0.1 the whole square by 2 into y naught double dash is minus 1. Third derivative is 0 plus 0.1 the whole power 4 by 4 factorial into y naught 4 value is 2. Find what is y1. Only 3 rows. What is the answer now? I'm giving you all the steps. So y1 is 0.995. Everyone getting the same answer? Yes. Do we need to find y2 more? Question asked or not? Y2. Others? We'll find y2 also, y1 only. Y2 also you are supposed to find. But you are given 2 y values. We want to find y2 with this set of values or with x1, y1. x1, y1 put together. Your choice. We want to continue with this set of values or we'll find the values at x1, y1 and other things. So like y2 equal to same formula. y2 is equal to, the formula is same. Formula is the same, but what will be the difference for? Interval. Tell y2 must what will be the interval? 0.9. Interval difference. So y0, y1, y2 is the. What is the interval difference for our problem? H value enter 0.1. So over interval difference of 0.1. So now y0 is y1 now let's check that data. Now 0.1 is here. So y0 is y2 the next step of 0.2. Then next step at then the interval will add 0.1 plus 0.1 will give you 0.2. So h value is 0.2. We are going to change what is that, but now all the other values will be the same. 6 check your answer. If you go to those brackets, it's already get the answers now. Okay. Answer the first one to that. Yeah, I don't know, okay, we need to wait, okay, it's not good, it would bracket that. One, then to minus plus into minus minus 0.2 square divided by 1. You have made use of bracket for division formula and multiplication formula bracket. Okay, actually one factor is 1 only. You need not do that one also. Okay, plus 2 bracket should go 0.2 the whole power 4 into 2. Zero point 980. Correct. 0.2 power 4 into 2 divided by 4. Everyone getting the same answer? So your answer will be 0.9801. 0.9801. Any doubt in Taylor series method, ma'am? So you should be aware with the differentiation concept, solve the problem by Taylor series. That is very important part. Got the answers or not? Everyone? Shall we start with the next one? So the Eulers and modified Eulers methods are very easy one now. So the Taylor series, we made use of the notation as y dash. Here also we given the differential equation only. But hereafter for y dash, we are going to make use of the notation as f of x comma 1. Okay, just for our convenience, we are going to denote y dash as f of x comma y. Hereafter in all the formulas. Okay, so take the next one. Eulers method. Eulers method is a very simple method. This one normally Eulers method was only for a 2-mark question or as a part of 8-mark question. Eulers method. Yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus h into f of xn comma yn. This is the formula. So yn plus all these terms. Next one, modified Eulers method. Modified Eulers method. Modified Eulers method. Yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus h into f of xn plus h by 2 comma yn plus h by 2 into f of xn comma yn. Okay, ma'am. Yn First one, using Eulers method. Using Eulers method, find. Using Eulers method, find y of 0.2, and y of 0.4. Using Eulers method, find y of 0.2 and y of 0.4 from dy by dx is equal to x plus y, comma y of 0 equal to 1 with h is equal to 0.2. Y of 0 equal to 1 with h is equal to 0.2. So first steps are assertion. We have defined what is x naught, y naught, what is the derivative and what is the h value. So start the solution. So what is x naught for your problem? What is x naught? 0. What is y naught? 1. Or given the h value? 0.2. So if h is given, means decide the next x value using h. So what will be x1? 0.2. Because first value is 0. 0 plus 0.2 will give you 0.2. Then x2, 0.2 plus 0.2 will give you 0.4. So that is what you are supposed to find, 0.2 and 0.4. Corresponding y values are y1 and y2. So you are going to find two of those. And what is the derivative given? Y dash. According to our formula, it is noted as f of x comma y. That is given to be x plus 1. By which method you are going to solve? Eulers method. So right, by Eulers method, write your formula. By Eulers method, yn plus 1 equal to yn. What we have another formula. This is a better analysis. We have one more improved also. Yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus h into f of x n comma yn. In the unit below, we are trying to solve what is the differential equation. We are discussing it by various methods. One method is better than the other one. Okay. So what is the first one? You have to find y1. To find y1, how do you find the formula? Replace n equal to 0. So y1 will be equal to y0 plus h into f of x0 comma y0. Simple formula, we are not doing parallel. Write the formula y1. Substitute the values. What is y0 given? 1 plus h value for the problem is 0.2 into f of x0 comma y0, meaning is that in f of x comma y, replace x and y to be x0 y0. Okay, f of x comma y is the x y to the x0 y0. So what you will get? x0 plus y0. You write like this or directly even in the substitute, what is x0 and y0? What is x0 for the problem? 0 plus y0 is 1. If you really put down, you will really go. In the direct x y to the 0 and 1 and replace your choice. So simplify this 1 plus 0.2 into 1. What is the answer? 1.2. Very simple. Now using this, find y2. To get y2, what is the substitute their formula? N equal to 1. So y2 equal to y1 plus h into f of x1 comma y1. Okay, substituting n equal to 1. y1 is the new value what you have got. You know So y1 is the value what you got. What is y1? 1.2 plus h value is 0.2. No discussion, sir. Continue. 1.4. Others. So to find f of x1 comma y1, in f of x comma y, replace x and y to be x1 and y1. So x1 plus y1. So this is equal to 1.2 plus 0.2 into x1 for our problem is given to be 0.2. y1 you got it to be 1.2. Find this answer. See, for my convenience, I am skipping that step and write it as 0 plus 1. Now, write it as the next step. Don't write like this. So, what is y2? 1.48. Good. Easier now? Easier. So, normally this may be asked as a 2 mark or some maximum 4 marks only, no? Or it may become as a part of 8 mark question. That's all. It cannot be asked separately as an 8 mark. That's simple formula. Shall we go to the next one? Everyone completed? So, take the next one. Using modified Eulers method. Using modified Eulers method. Using modified Eulers method. Find y of 1.2. Using modified Eulers method, find y of 1.2 given dy by dx is equal to y minus x square the whole cube. Y minus x square the whole cube, comma, y of 1 equal to 0, comma, y of 1 equal to 0. Let's just start the section. What are the initial values you identify? X naught, y naught and h. Should we start? What is x naught? 0. X naught is 1. What is y naught? 0. Or given h value? No. So assume that given x value as the next one. What is the next x value given? 1.2. Either continuous will come along the next x value. So x1 is 1.2. Now using this to identify the h value. x1 minus x0. So what is the h value? 0.2. 0.2. So which formula we are going to apply now? Modified Eulers. So right, by modified Eulers method, so to get y1, we are replace all x and y to be x0 and y0. By modified Eulers method, y1 equal to y0 plus h into f of x0 plus h by 2, comma y0 plus h by 2 into f of x0, comma y0. This is the formula to get y1. What is f of x, comma y? What is f of x, comma y? What is f of x, comma y? X 0.2 by 2. Remember, all these are one value. You have to calculate this first and then what you calculate point out. Don't make any mistake. What you have to do here, f of x naught comma y naught. Here f of x comma y, replace x and y to be x naught and y naught. So for this problem, y naught value is 0 and x naught is 1. Do it carefully, don't make any mistakes. So you get 0.2 into f of. Identify the first term. What is 0.2 by 2? 0.1. 0.1 plus 1 will give you 1.1. Come. To the second term, calculate. 1 square will give you 1. 0 minus 1 will give you minus 1. What is minus 1? The whole cube? Minus 1. And you have it out to be 0.2 by 2. What is 0.2 by 2? 0.1. But there will be one negative sign. You will get the next term as minus 0.1. What is the meaning of this one now? When the formula reduce money, the regular can reduce. This is enough. So in this step, instead of x, you replace 1.1 and instead of y, you replace it as minus 0.1. This is f of x comma y. And x is 1.1, y is minus 0.1. So in your formula, you replace those values. So do it 0.2 into y minus x square. So minus 0.1 minus 1.1 the whole square, the whole cube. Y minus x square the whole cube. Find what is the answer. Your answer now. Minus 0.449 There is an answer. Any doubt now? So if you want to find y term is what you will do? To find y term what you will do? Any equal to. This formula the 0 formula you replace everything to be x1 and y1. Note down your problem. Note down. dy by dx equal to log of x plus 1. dy by dx equal to log of x plus y, comma, y of 0 equal to 2, h is equal to 0.2, 5, y of 0.2 and y of 0.4. Y of 0.2 and y of 0.4. So I give you log function in this problem. In your calculator, how many log functions are there? In your calculator, how many log functions are there? Only one. Right from first unit, I will be discussing with you this. One log or two log functions? One. 2 minutes, what is the other one? ln. There are two log functions. Okay. So since it is given in differentiation, we'll go for log ln, log to the base e. Okay. Kudutha mattum you go for the log to the base 10. Okay. Our general kuduthamne consider as log to the base e and so on. So you make use of ln operator in the calculator. Okay. I know you know your exam is starting now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So exam